All right, YouTube. Last toolbox tour for the end of the year. Still got the blue box. Oh, focus. Yeah, still got the blue box. Still got the white box. Let's see. Still got the roll card. All right, it's just gonna be a quick run around. That thing's still over there. It's gonna be a quick rundown. Not gonna be in depth. I'm just gonna open the drawers so y'all can see what's in them. Screwdrivers. More brake stuff, miscellaneous. Some of this stuff is overflow because I ain't had nowhere else to put it. It's like it came like a catch-all drawer. More brake stuff, dial indicators and calipers and specialty stuff in there. Ratchets. And some magnetic sockets. I hope this thing is focusing. Extensions. Let's see, we got pry tools, scrapers, line pinch off. Those work good. Another catch-all, didn't have nowhere else to put it for now, so I just stuck it in the drawer. I mainly just use this box to hold stuff that, you know, I don't really need urgently. Some more overflow. Fuel injection testers and hex bits and torques and Allens and harmonic balance installers for LS motors, all kind of stuff in there. All right, moving on. White box. Keep my chargers up top, as you can see. Safety glasses. These lights, well, these Cyclops lights are the truth. Like those, Icon. All right, let's start from the bottom, work our way up. Yep, Milwaukee fan. Got some Harbor Freight stuff in there. Yep. It works. I keep these air tools as backup. I don't really use them light top. But they do work. Plier drawer. Mostly Icon, Harbor Freight rather. Those picks are the truth. They are the truth. All right. Next drawer. This is where I keep some of my electrical stuff, as you can see. It's all electrical in here. Leads and testers and you name it, it's in here. Most of it, except for my power probe and other stuff, I don't keep that in there. SAE wrench drawer. yeah. These Craftsman, they're good. Got the V series. I should have grabbed the these are the metrics. I should have grabbed the SAEs, but I ain't like how they skip, so I'm gonna use these for my carry bag. All right. Metric. All metric. All metric. I got these in the blow mold cases now, but they're not gonna stay in there because they take up too much room. Yep, power drawer. I keep my batteries in there. It would have been nice to put chargers in there, but I ain't feel like turning them up on their side like that, so I just keep the batteries in here. All right. There's the drawer everybody wants to see. All right. My sockets. My sockets are going to be mostly Craftsman, and I got some Icon in there, and some gear wrench, and some gray pneumatic for my impacts. And there's some Pittsburgh in there too. There's some, Harbor Freight. But yeah, these are my sockets. Not written in stone. I'm constantly changing things, but this is what it is for now. All right, that was a quick version. I appreciate y'all watching. Last tour for the end of the year. All right, y'all. Appreciate it. Drop a like. Subscribe to the channel. We got more coming. Thanks for watching.